Let's talk about wrongful death. If someone that you love has been killed as a result of someone else's negligence, you may have a claim for wrongful death. There are a couple parts to that. The first part is bereavement. That's damages for the loss of the relationship, the grief, the suffering you've been through because of that death. The second part is damages, and there's two parts to that. The first part is short-term damages, the second part is long-term damages. Short-term damages would be things like life insurance, Canada Pension Plan, death benefits. There might be coverage through the deceased's work. Long-term damages would include damages for loss of dependency, where the dependent has lost access to the deceased income for the time they would have lived as a unit. And that can be a very significant sum of money depending on the age of the survivor and the income of the deceased. Some of the short-term benefits like Canada Pension Plan, death benefits, widow's benefits, some of the life insurance benefits, you don't need a lawyer for, you can do those on your own. But the longer-term benefits like loss of dependency, you probably would need a lawyer, and the lawyer would have to retain an economist to calculate the loss of the dependency claim. In a wrongful death case, people want to know what's it worth, and the answer again is it depends. For example, someone that's making $250,000 a year and has 2 young children and a spouse that's a stay-at-home mom, that claim is worth a lot more than someone that is working at a minimum wage job and has no dependents. So it all depends on the person's circumstances. Now, bereavement damages, those are set by statute, so those are pretty easy. It's so much for the parents, so much for the spouse, so much for each kid.